All right, seventh grade. Trying something a little different here. So we're learning displaying frequency, and this is honestly, it's easier for me just to kind of show you examples than to actually do problems on the board. So first thing we're going to do is talk about line plots. So if you look at the question on the slide here, it says make a line plot for the number of songs on a collection of CDs. And then it gives you a bunch of different numbers. So one CD has 10 songs. This question's already dated because, you guys just listen to Spotify or whatever, but you used to have to buy CDs and, there would be 10, 12, 15 songs on the CD. And you can see it ranges all across here. We got 10 songs on one CD, 11 on another, 13 on another, and so on. And what we can do is we can take this data and make a line plot. It's kind of like a number line, but with X's or circles or dots, something to show how many each data item has. So here, I'm just going to give you the example. There is a line plot. So we listed out, we started with the smallest. The smallest CD had 8 songs. The largest had 15. We just filled in all the numbers between. And then we just started putting X's above. So 10, I put an X. 11, I put an X. 13, I put an X. And you keep going. And then one nice thing with a line plot, it's very easy to kind of get a visual representation of the data. Especially you could figure out the mode very easily because you're just looking for the tallest one. I can see there's 3 X's above 11, so 11's got to be the mode. And then you can use a line plot to find, like I said, the mode. Median's another thing you could find because you could just kind of work your way towards the middle. So, um, so you can see each X represents one CD. So now you can count them all up, and that should be the same number of X's as there are numbers here. And then we just show that the data ranges from 8 to 15. And you could use this data to find mean, median, and mode. For example, mean, I can literally just add all these up, 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, 12 plus 12, and so on, and then divide by how many there are. There's 13 total X's, 13 CDs. So I do that, and I can get the mean. You also could find the median, like I said, by working. So again, the mean was 11.8. You can find the median by just finding the middle number. In this case, it's the 7th item, and it would be 12. And then mode, like I said, mode was pretty simple because you just found whichever was the tallest. In this case, it was 11. All right, so that's a line plot.